This is a guide to show you how to install your TV frames in 2 easy steps. Step 1. Place the adhesive strips about 4 inches down on the top and bottom corners of your TV. Step 2. Affix your frame to the TV. Align the bottom beam of the frame with your TV, then just press gently. Make sure the remote control sensor is exposed to the opening, so all your devices work normally. Our TV frames work well with both TV stands or wall mounts, and the frames are interchangeable with most TV brands, depending on the size.